Ready?
Yep.
Alright. 18 large crickets. You need to take a pinch of the calcium powder, put it in the bag, maybe 2 if you didn't get that much, and lightly shake the crickets around to coat them with the powder. They'll just be lightly gray crickets then. And what you want to do is slowly put the crickets in, probably about 2 or 3 at a time, until Jason eats them. Jason's not very smart, so you'll have to kind of corral the crickets and guide the crickets over to Jason. So I always put Jason on the left-hand side of the cage when I'm ready to feed him. And then you just lightly shake the bag until a couple come out. Oh, he's actually chasing them today. He must be hungry. Alright, so after he finishes everything that you put in, you lightly pull out a couple more.
He doesn't know if they're alive or not.
He doesn't notice them until they move. That was a big one.
You hear it crunching.
Yeah, he should be alive, or unless he sees one go.
Do you need to do more?
Well, you can pause it.